Hey everyone, we're back with the Bissell Powerglide pet, and we're going to be doing a test on some very dirty carpet in an animal room. So let's get started and see how well this Bissell performs. It has a completely clean bin and filter, so we're going to recline it and see how well this does. Brush roll is off. Alright, so one pass forward and back, and it looks like it did a pretty good job at picking up all the surface dirt. There is some hair that got caught toward the front, right here, and some other particles that got stuck. But it kind of sounded like there was an air leakage, so maybe, yeah, see, this wasn't in all the way. So let's seal that down better, because I guess that's how you get the tools out. And that's the airflow release valve right here. So that's the airflow release valve. So it's on maximum suction. Let's try this again. Alright, so I guess that is as good as it's gonna get. Metal thing. Something just doesn't sound right. Everything's right. There's suction here. Maybe not the most suction. It's because the suction release valve is stuck open. For some reason, the suction release valve is opening. So So I have a defective product. My suction relief valve will not stay shut. It is remaining open, so therefore we are not getting accurate results. Okay, so my Bissell Powerglide pet is defective. The airflow release valve remained open constantly, so I fixed that with some duct tape so we can continue with the review. So here we go. We're going to continue. Look at that, how it's just sucking everything right in. That's sticky right there, so that's not gonna come up. That hair is stuck to the ground. You can see there's a lot more airflow now compared to what it was before. Let's see how well it edge cleans. It's cleaning right up against that edge. We knocked over some toilet paper. That's epic. It doesn't want to pick up that staple. Yeah, staple it's not going to pick up. Alright, let's go to the carpet. Turn on the brush roll. We could vacuum the hard floors with the brush roll on dual because of that triple action brush roll. It's gonna help to pick up any of that dirt that might be in these cracks. Alright, so we're gonna do a pass down right here. Okay, so one pass forward and back, and it did pretty good. You can see some lines where it didn't clean, where the belt is right here and the other carpet strips. But overall, it did a pretty good job. You can see some specks here and there where it missed, mainly where the lines are. So we will continue. This big lava fur right here. You can see everything in the dirt bin. Alright, so we have some light stuff in this groove right here that's about 1/4 of an inch, and it didn't want to suck it up, so let's try again. Alright, it sucks most of it up. There is a little bit of agitation. You can see some agitation here, not a lot. But it is doing a good job at picking up the dirt. You can hear it sucking everything up. It's doing better than the Hoover I previously tested. Look at that. One pass forward and back is all it takes with this triple action brush roll. It does such an amazing job. Look at this nice clean pass. This clean square right here of the carpet. You see there's some globs of fur over here. And some larger particles. It just sucks them all up with ease. So we're just about finished. Clean our feet. Alright, so it looks pretty good to me. It's groomed the carpet nice. It's picked up so much dirt. Look at this. You can see all that dust and dirt that's caked up right here at the bottom, the sand, all the hair and everything. Everything seems to be starting to collect near the back of the machine. You can see the full line is about right here. That seems pretty low to me, but that's the full line. So it's not the biggest dirt bin in the world. But let's take a look at the filter right here. And the top of the filter looks clean. That's this secondary filter. And let's check the primary pre-motor filter. There's a little bit of dust, but not much dust at all, as you can see. Just a little bit. There's a couple specks of sand in there, but not much. The cyclone system has done a pretty good job. So we'll put this filter back in. Put this one back in on top. and hook this back up to the machine like so. This filter here, there's the pleated post motor filter right there. I don't want to take that out and mess up the seal. As good as the seal is, it is from the factory. So put this back in like that. Pop this back on there. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Bissell Powerglide Pet, the new one. If you would like to purchase this Bissell or read any further consumer reviews, you can click in the link to Amazon in the description below.